What's shakin', Tim's Top 5 fam? You ready for some adrenaline pumping action? Because today, we're strapping on our helmets, grabbing our selfie sticks, and diving headfirst into the world of action cameras. We're talking about capturing your craziest adventures in stunning detail, from heart-stopping POV footage to crystal-clear underwater shots. Whether you're a mountain biking madman, a kayaking connoisseur, or just a clumsy klutz who wants to document your hilarious wipeouts, hey, no judgment, there's an action camera out there that's perfect for you. But with so many options on the market, it can be tough to know where to start. Fear not, my fellow thrill-seekers. I've spent countless hours researching, testing, and, almost, destroying a whole bunch of action cameras, and today, I'm here to share my top 5 picks for 2024. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to unleash your inner action hero. Number 5. Picasso Brave 7 LE. Action camera on a budget, but still kicks butt. Hey there, thrill seekers and budget ballers. Are you ready to strap on your helmet, hop on your skateboard, and film yourself doing sick tricks without blowing a hole in your wallet? Then hold onto your selfie sticks, because we're diving into the Picasso Brave 7 LE, the action camera that lets you be your own personal Tony Hawk, without the sponsorship deals. At under $100 bucks, this little guy is a steal. It might not be the fanciest action camera on the block, but for casual daredevils and adventure newbies, it packs a surprising punch. Imagine this. You're shredding down a mountain bike trail, feeling the wind whipping through your hair, or helmet, if you're smart. The Brave 7 LE is there, capturing all the epic jumps and near wipeouts in glorious 4K. Sure, it might not be the smoothest footage on par with a Hollywood blockbuster, but you'll be able to relive the adrenaline rush and impress your friends, or at least make them laugh at your near-death experiences. But wait, there's more. This little camera can also handle a dunking. Take it down to 131 feet underwater, assuming you have waterproof housing, and capture the wonders of the deep blue. Fish, coral reefs, that creepy shipwreck you accidentally stumbled upon. All yours to document in aquatic splendor. Now, let's be honest, it's not perfect. Low light performance? Not exactly its strong suit. Battery life? Well, let's just say you might want to pack an extra if you're planning an all-day adventure. And the microphone? Let's just say those inspirational narrations you were planning might sound a bit muffled. But here's the thing. For the price, you're getting a decent little action camera that can hold its own. It's tough enough to handle your adventures and won't weigh you down in your backpack. So, if you're looking to capture your summer shenanigans without breaking the bank, the Picasso Brave 7 LE is a totally rad option. The Picasso Brave 7 LE. It won't win any Oscars, but it'll definitely star in your next home movie. And hey, at under $100, who can argue with that? Number 4. The Insta360 Go 3. Is it the action camera for you? Spoiler. It depends. Hey there, vloggers, adventurers, and anyone who ever dreamed of having a tiny robot film their life. Today, we're setting our sights on the Insta360 Go 3, the action camera that's about the size of your thumb and packs a surprising punch. Imagine this. You're strapped to the handlebars of your bike, zooming down a mountain trail. The wind is whipping through your hair, or helmet, if you're safety conscious, and the scenery is a blur of awesomeness. But how do you capture the epicness of the ride without looking like you strapped a toaster to your head? Enter the Insta360 Go 3. This little marvel clips onto anything and everything, thanks to its built-in magnet. It shoots in a crazy wide angle, capturing the entire scene in a single shot. So you get the heart-stopping descent, the stunning mountain vista, and maybe even that squirrel who almost caused you to wipe out. Because, let's be real, it happens to the best of us. But is the Go 3 all sunshine and rainbows? Hold on there, buckaroo. While the image quality is surprisingly good for such a small camera, it's not gonna win any Oscars for low-light performance. And forget about zooming in on that cute mountain goat you spotted. The wide-angle lens is kinda like a party favor hat. Fun, but not exactly high fidelity. Here's the real question. Who is the Go 3 perfect for? Content creators who crave unique angles and creative freedom will love it. POV enthusiasts who want to capture the world from their perspective will be stoked. And anyone who wants an ultra-portable, easy-to-use action camera that goes wherever they go. This might just be your new best friend. Think about it like this. The Go 3 isn't here to replace your fancy DSLR. It's your sidekick for capturing those spontaneous moments, the behind-the-scenes action, and the wacky angles that make your vlogs stand out. So, is the Insta360 Go 3 a must-have? It depends on your needs. But for around $270, it's a fantastic option for those who want to inject some creativity and fun into their adventures. Head down to the description for more details and the best price on the Insta360 Go 3. And don't forget to leave a comment letting me know what crazy ways you'd use this tiny action camera. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 4. The action camera that does it all, almost. Yo Tim's Top 5 fam. We're smack dab in the middle of our action camera showdown, and next up is a contender that's here to dominate the competition. Let's talk about the DJI Osmo Action 4, the camera that boasts it can handle anything you throw at it, well, almost anything. Imagine this. You're hurtling down a ski slope, snow spraying in your face, feeling like a total badass. The Osmo Action 4 is there, clinging onto your helmet with its fearless grip, capturing every epic turn and heart-stopping jump in smooth, buttery 4K video at up to 120 FPS. That means slow-motion replays so mind-blowing, your friends will accuse you of being a secret 10th Games athlete. But wait, there's more. This action camera isn't afraid of a little water. Without needing an extra case, it can dive down to 36 meters, that's 118 feet for those of you who don't speak metric. So whether you're snorkeling on a coral reef or braving a kayaking adventure down a raging river, the Osmo Action 4 will capture all the underwater beauty. Or maybe that hilarious wipeout you took trying to impress a cute lifeguard. Here's the thing, though. Perfection is a myth, even in the world of action cameras. The Osmo Action 4 might be a powerhouse, but its still photo quality isn't quite as impressive as its video. Think of it like a rock star musician, amazing live performances, but maybe not destined for the Billboard charts, although, hey, you never know. So, who is the DJI Osmo Action 4 ideal for? Adventure vloggers who demand excellent quality and versatility will love it. Anyone who wants an action camera that can handle the most extreme conditions, this is a top pick. But if you're a die-hard still photographer, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is a fantastic action camera that delivers stunning video and impressive durability. It's priced around $300, which makes it a solid investment for those who want a camera that can keep up with their active lifestyles. Head down to the description for more details and the best price on the DJI Osmo Action 4. Let me know in the comments what crazy adventures you'd take this camera on. Number 2. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The king of action cameras, but is it right for you? Hey there, adrenaline junkies and thrill seekers. We're continuing our quest for the ultimate action camera, and today we're setting our sights on the legendary GoPro Hero 11 Black. This camera is like the Michael Jordan of the action camera world, a champion with a proven track record of capturing epic adventures. Imagine this. You're catching waves in Hawaii, riding the barrel of a monster wave, feeling the spray of the ocean and the rush of pure adrenaline. The Hero 11 Black is there, strapped to your surfboard, capturing every heart-stopping moment in stunning 5.3K detail. With its unbelievable low-light performance, you'll even get crystal-clear footage of those pre-dawn sessions when the light is just starting to peek over the horizon. But the Hero 11 Black isn't a one-trick pony. It's built tough and waterproof, ready to accompany you on any adventure, from scaling mountains to spelunking in caves. Plus, GoPro just released a new subscription service that automatically uploads your footage to the cloud and edits it into awesome highlight reels. No more spending hours sifting through footage, just epic moments ready to share with the world. Sounds perfect, right? Well, hold on to your parachutes, because there are a couple of things to consider. The Hero 11 Black is a top-of-the-line camera, and it comes with a top-of-the-line price tag, around $300. There are also some competitors offering similar features for a bit less cash. So, who is the GoPro Hero 11 Black perfect for? Serious adventure videographers who demand the best possible image quality and a camera that can handle anything they throw at it. This is a dream come true. Content creators who want a camera with a proven track record and a user-friendly editing system will also love it. But if you're a casual adventurer who just wants to capture some fun memories, a more budget-friendly option might be a better fit. Overall, the GoPro Hero 11 Black is a fantastic action camera that lives up to its legendary reputation. It's powerful, versatile, and built to endure anything you can dish out. Head down to the description for more details and the best price on the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Let me know in the comments what adventures you'd conquer with this beast of a camera. Number 1. Insta360 X3. Capture your world, literally. But is it worth the splurge? Yo Tim's Top 5 fam. We've reached the final round of our action camera showdown, and buckle up, because this one's a doozy. We're talking about the Insta360 X3, the camera that lets you capture your entire world in a single shot. Imagine this. You're mountain biking through a breathtaking forest trail. Sun dappling through the leaves, birds singing, the wind whipping through your hair. The Insta360 X3 is strapped to your chest, capturing everything in mind-blowing 5.7K 360 video. Later, when you relive the adventure, you can virtually explore the entire trail, look around in any direction, and feel like you're right back in the moment. It's like magic, except way cooler. But the magic comes at a cost. The Insta360 X3 is the priciest camera on our list, clocking in at around $500. It's also on the bigger and heavier side compared to some of the other options. So, who is the Insta360 X3 perfect for? Content creators who want to push the boundaries of storytelling will love it. Imagine creating immersive experiences for your viewers, letting them feel like they're right there with you on your adventures. Virtual reality enthusiasts will also get a kick out of this camera. However, if you're a casual adventurer who just wants to capture some point-of-view footage, this might be overkill, and over budget. Here's the deal. The Insta360 X3 is a powerful and innovative camera that opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities. But that world comes with a price tag. Overall, the Insta360 X3 is an amazing action camera for those who want to capture their adventures in a truly unique way. Head down to the description for more details and the best price on the Insta360 X3. Let me know in the comments if you'd rock this camera and what epic adventures you'd capture in 360. Alright Tim's Top 5 fam, that's it for our epic showdown of the top 5 action cameras in 2024. We chased waves, shredded mountains, and even dipped our toes into the world of 360-degree video. Hopefully, this list gave you a good idea of what camera is the perfect fit for your next adventure. Remember, you can find all the links to the products we mentioned down in the description below, along with the best prices I could find on the web. So, whether you're a budget-conscious thrill-seeker or a content creator looking to push the boundaries, there's an action camera out there waiting to capture your epic moments. What did you think of today's list? Let me know in the comments which camera caught your eye, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech adventures, gadget reviews, and exclusive deals. Until next time, stay rad.